In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animated Canva slide design. We'll build a clean slide with subtle motion using Canva's match and move transition, starting from a template and ending with a smooth animated preview. Begin by opening Canva and selecting a presentation template you like. It's fine to use any style. We'll customize it. Add a new blank page so you have a fresh canvas for the effect. Head to Uploads, bring in a background image, and drop it onto the page. Resize and reposition it so it fills the slide nicely and sets the tone. Open Elements and insert a square graphic. Change its color to white, then go to Edit and open Shadows. Choose the drop option to give the square a soft, realistic lift. Adjust the blur until the edge looks subtle rather than harsh. Resize and position the square where you want it to anchor your layout. Now open Transparency and lower it so the shape feels airy and layered over the background. Duplicate the square a few times to create a cluster. For each duplicate, tweak the transparency slightly so they don't all look identical. Then move them toward the left side to form a balanced group. Select all the squares and group them so they stay aligned and are easy to move together. Add a text box, type your headline or message. Choose a font that matches your theme and place the text where it's easy to read over the shapes. Next, switch to Grid View or the Page Manager. Open the three-dot menu for the page and duplicate it. On the second page, click the background image and drag it slightly to a new position to introduce gentle movement between pages. Go back to the first page, remove the text to set up a reveal on the second page, and drag the group squares closer to the left corner for a more noticeable shift. Exit video if you're in timeline mode so you can access the transition controls. Click the three dots between the two pages, choose Add Transition, and select Match and Move. This tells Canva to track elements from page 1 to page 2 based on how they moved. Adjust the duration to control the speed. Shorter feels snappier, longer feels smoother, and then click Preview to watch your animated slide. If something feels off, fine-tune the blur, transparency, or positions till the motion looks natural. That's it. Polished animated Canva slide using simple shapes, thoughtful layering, and a clean transition.